Hello, hello, hello. It's Tuesday. Let me tell y'all something. I'm so dang I'm sleepy. Let me show you what I got going on. Some grits. What I'm looking for. And some butter. Smart Balance. I'm gonna wash my hands. When you come from outside, you collect germs. When you're doing your CNA, time you get a CNA license, they teach you this. You put your hand on the sink and you hold it like this, and you do not shake your hand. You do not shake your hand. Those are just the procedures they do. Never do this. Never. You know? And that's good hand washing because you get up under your nails, they come clean. So, I've been out the door. So, I got my water, my grits, and I'm going to use this lid because it has a top on it, breathable top. See there? I'm going to put it in the microwave. And I'm going to steam it. I'm going to steam it, you guys. Then once it's like halfway cooked, then I'm gonna add me an egg in it. You get what I'm saying? So I'm going to probably do 140. And there she goes. So can I find me some milk? Find me some see. Yeah, hang on. Oh, got it. And just tear these up pieces up. That's all. Oh. Oh, that's on top. Y'all, this ham good as I don't know what. I went to the client house. This, she told me she wasn't home. I was like, okay, I'm just gonna leave. paper at your house. I'm just gonna get some paper at your house so you can make. So I have some time sheets. So I can have some time sheets at your house. She's like, okay, I won't be home until 3 o'clock. I'm like, all righty then. All righty, love. No problem. But when I left, she called me. She was like, oh, I'm about to get ready to leave. Did you want to come back? Um, do you want to come back? You know, so we can sit down and talk about the hours, which I was trying to do that Friday when I came to visit her. I was trying to, you know, get an understanding of her hours and with the pay rate. But we jumped on subjects, on, you know, topics, you know, different topics, talked about different stuff, getting to know each other. So she was like, do you want to come back? And I'm like, no. Because it takes me an hour and 15 minutes to get to your house and an hour and 15 minutes to get back. So I was not going to drive another 2 hours over there and another 2 hours back. That wasn't going to happen. I mean, I don't drove like 4 hours and practically, if I say 15, 20, another hour. So that's like 5 hours I don't drove. I'm like, no ma'am, I just returned back tomorrow. You know. Because now I don't burn gas that my husband put in the car for me. And then I had to pay toll fee. One toll fee going to her house. Then I had to pay. That's $1.20 some cent. Then pay another fee to get to the leave. That was $2 and some change. You know, so I don't spend 5 hours plus $2 and some change to get to your house. And you tell me that you're not there, but you are there, and you're about to leave with a family member to go and do some things. I'm not upset about it. I'm not upset about it. I am a little bit, because that was my time and my money, you know, but can't get upset about stuff like that. Let me show you. I cooked this in the microwave, and this is how it turned out. And I know y'all see that steam? Y'all see that steam? So now what I'm about to do is come back over here, because I want to show you guys. There. Y'all see this steam? Put my ham in here. And crack me an egg. And grab me some cheese. I want to set this up so you can see. This is my breakfast. Now I'm going back over here. Put my top back on. Put it back in. Put it back in there. And push it back some. Do about 30. That give that egg time enough to cook. And do away with my trash. And guess what, guys? That's it. That's it to breakfast. Should be finished in a minute. Close this. There we go. That's it. This is my breakfast. My egg is cooked. My cheese and my ham. That's it. Instead of going to Crystal's, I'm gonna do a little pepper. This have different seasoning in it. Black pepper, all kind of season. A little salt. And my stomach is rolling and rolling, acting a fool, because I haven't fed it today. God, this is so good. Just take you some grits. Same way you do oatmeal. That's the same way you do grits. Put it in a bowl. Put it on for like 2 minutes. Once it get done, go back, crack your egg, put your egg in there, add your meat, and put it back in for 30, at least 40. Don't forget to add some butter. And baby, and while all that going on, go ahead and cook your toast. Let me go cook me a toast. Instead of putting my toast in the oven, I just put it here and add me a little splash of butter. Let me go get my applesauce. I have an applesauce I started drinking. Oh, and it's about waste. And I had me some little grapes this morning. But let me grab my butter from my toast. And grab my jam. This is good. Blackberry jam. It's good. It's my husband, he don't know it, but I'm about to get some of it. I want a toast. But I promise y'all, this is good. Alexa, what's the weather?
Currently, in Davenport, it's 79 degrees Fahrenheit with partly sunny skies. Today, you can expect intermittent clouds with a high of 87 degrees and a low of 67 degrees. By the way, I can help to get your day started on the right note. Just ask me to play music.
I don't want to hear no music. I want to eat. I did a blog on my way to work, and my phone kept shutting off. Not this phone, my other phone. So I'm going to upload that as well. And then I have another one I did last night. Couldn't upload that one. So, I'm gonna upload. Oh, there she go. Good and toasted. I'm gonna go ahead and upload that one as well. But I'm about to end this one. I'm gonna let this be my ASMR. So, I'm showing you how I cooked it. Now, you can go to my page and watch me eat it. Oh, snap. There we go. So just toast your bread and then go back and add your butter. Because your bread gonna be so hot until it's going to melt your butter. So you don't have to put it in the oven. A lot of stuff you don't have to use the oven for. Let's sit you up here. You don't have to use the oven for. You don't even have to turn the oven on because you have a microwave. And it's good and melt. And I'm about to go in the living room and watch TV. And wait on my supervisor to call so I can talk with her. I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator. I'm gonna pause this because I don't feel like editing. Okay, guys. I am like so done cooking. Pick this phone up. And the keys in it. You just fucked up on me. Oh, there you go. I'm done. And I'm about to get out of here so I can go to my other channel and do ASMR because I started eating already. So with that being said, stay tuned. Subscribe to my channel, hit like, comment, notification button. Don't forget to share. Sharing is caring. But y'all go do this little quick breakfast. Cook your grits in the microwave. Go back and for 2 minutes. Go back and add an egg. How many eggs you like? Add whatever meat you like. Add whatever you like. Broccoli, onions, like a little omelet. You know, it just with grits. Your little cheese. Go and add it. But I'm about to be out of here. Peace.